If we turn around, we've got our smaller bedroom. Let's start with that. Hi, this is Jonathan from Clever. Right now, we're at Tiny Fest at the OC Fair and Event Center in Costa Mesa. Now, this is our Clever 2. It's our new 2-bedroom tiny homes. Really excited to show it to you. Come on inside. So we come up, we've got a side entrance here with the big French doors, full light, meaning a full window with the built-in blinds coming in. As you come in, this is the living space and kitchen. So this is a 399 square foot tiny home that has 2 bedrooms, full bathroom, split bathroom. We'll show all that. As you come into here, we come in, we'll start on the back wall here. We've got this beautiful kitchen. Everything we do at Clever is uncompromising. So yes, we've got 2 bedrooms in a pretty small space, but we wanna make sure you've got a nice big kitchen countertop, lots of light with the windows. So we've got the quartz countertop here, nice big sink here with different attachments. We've got the induction cooktop. We can optionally put a dishwasher here. We should optionally have a microwave here, lots of storage, lots of counter space, an optional oven as well, and lots of plugs. So we've got a nice kitchen, lots of light here. As we come into the space, we kind of turn around, there is this living room space. And this is designed for a lot of flexibility. So we're at Tiny Fest right now, so we've kind of staged this for a show very simply because we've had about 1,000 people come in here. But you can have a couch here, you can put some chairs, you can do a table and chairs, lots of different configuration options. And it points across to the other side of the room here where we've got this wall. So it can be a TV mounted up here on this wall. You can do a fold out table here if you want a breakfast table, a permanent breakfast table, a media center. So lots of configuration options for how to configure this living space. If we turn around, we've got our smaller bedroom. Let's start with that. So over here, this is the second bedroom. Of course, you got the pocket door to come in. And as we come in, there's a few different configurations we offer for this bedroom. This particular client this is going through is gonna be using this second bedroom primarily as an office, primarily as a second room, but they wanted the flexibility of being able to have people over and have a bed. So we have a built-in Murphy bed that can be on this side or the other side that just comes down. This is a queen size bed. So you got space for Murphy bed, or you can have a built-in bed. We also offer to have built-in closets here. And we'll show what that looks like in the other bedroom if this is gonna be a more permanent living space. Of course, the nice big window that we have and the high ceilings that are in all of our homes. So that's the second smaller bedroom. Let's turn around and look at the other bedroom. Now, if you're familiar with our really popular Clever 1 model, from here on back, it's actually the same. This is something that hundreds of people are living in. They're all over the country. We know it works really, really well, so we've kept it. As we come back here, we have the split bathroom. So this allows us to have this big, wide open space. You can open up the doors and the home is super, super open with the really high ceilings. But for privacy, there is, of course, lots of pocket doors, so we can close this off. We've got the bath here. This can also be a shower. We offer a glass door, but you've got your bath or shower combo there. As we come over here, we've got the side toilet and vanity. This is a favorite feature of our homes where you can keep this nice and open, but pop into the bathroom and just simply close it off without closing out the entire home. So we've got the toilet, obviously, big vanity, medicine cabinet with lots of storage in it, all of that feature, an uncompromising bathroom. And then as we come back, we have what we call the main bedroom. So this is a slightly bigger bedroom. This has got a queen size bed in here. You can see you can walk all around it. We've got the big built-in cabinetry here. So lots of cabinets. There's cabinets for hanging things. There's cabinets for storing things. We've got some show supplies in here. You got drawers that open, all soft close, all super high quality. And as we walk over here, we have the washer and dryer space and the built-in washer and dryer. So that's a quick walkthrough of the Clever 2. We'll talk a couple other features here. Ventilation, there's obviously fans in both areas of the bathroom like we do in all the homes we make. There is a mini split in the main bedroom and there is a mini split in the living room. Both of these mini splits are rated for 400 square feet. So you've got twice the amount of heating, cooling, powering that you need. There is the energy recovery ventilator to provide fresh air. And then there's a really cool fan system, super energy efficient, controllable, temperature controlled fan that will move air from the living room into the bedroom so that you can keep the bedroom temperature how you want it. That's our Clever 2. We think this is a great layout for a 2-bedroom tiny house. It's got everything you need. There's lots of space, 2 bedrooms that can fit queen size beds, full size shower or bath, separate toilet, big vanity, nice big kitchen, lots of light, lots of windows. There's quite a bit of space in here to configure this living space however it works for you. That's our new Clever 2. We're really excited to be shipping this all across the US. Thank you so much for watching.